Welcome to part 6 of DJ Wilson's STEM video doing some SketchUp work. Alright, so we've done a lot so far as doing some creative things with our home. But just say you figure out that now ideally you want to design your home and draw it out first before you actually do any of this. But just say you feel like, hey, near the end, hey, I want to add some more stuff. So let me show you how to add an addition onto the home. All right. And I just want you to know there's a lot of ways of doing these things in SketchUp, but personally, I kind of like some of these, doing it this way. All right. So in order to add a part onto my home, what I want to do is I'm going to grab another rectangle. I'm going to draw another rectangle on the ground, but I'm going to start at the end over here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this one kind of large. Okay. So I'm going to draw that onto the ground. And just like we did before, I'm going to grab my push-pull tool. And I'm going to grab this and I'm going to pull it right up to the corners of that other side so it's consistent. Okay? And so now when I rotate, yeah, it's pretty close. All right? But on this home, I want to look inside. So what I'm actually going to do, and I'll show you how to put the roof back on. But there is a way, that you can make the roof invisible that you can see inside. But for what I'm doing, I'm going to be drawing a lot on the inside, so I'm actually going to delete the roof. So I'm going to use my arrow tool, click on the roof, and then press that delete button, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start drawing a few things inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a few rooms in here. Now to make rooms, I need a wall, right? So let's make some walls. The best way, or one of the ways that I like to make walls is previously we've always used these rectangles, but I'm actually going to use the rotated rectangle on this one, okay? And let me show you how this is going to work. I'm going to click on the rotated rectangle and I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to move my mouse and then click here. But then that's going to start drawing a rectangle. And then I'll be able to pull the rectangle out. See how that's coming? And then when I press the button again, there's my wall, right? Pretty cool, right? So then what I'm going to do is I need a wall closing this out. So I'm going to start from the bottom, click here at the top, and then I'm going to drag that wall all the way over here to the edge. Pow. And there's another wall. Now you know how it closed up the top. That's fine. You can just delete that and delete that one. And there you have your nice little room. Okay? And so now you can do some additional rotating. Okay? Hey, how do I get into this room? There's no way to get into the room. Well, how do I get into the room? Well, I'm glad that you asked that question. So let's make a door. And so to make a door, let's go back to our regular trusty rectangle. And I'm going to click here on the edge. I want to draw a nice rectangle of what I want the door to be. Pow. And you know how we're going to make the door? We're going to click there and we're going to delete that. Now we have a door, a room, and a door. All right. And let's see, I may have another few more seconds to do some things in this video. All right. So, let's do some cool stuff. Let's add some paint colors. Let's do some carpet. Let's add some carpet in this room here. And then we'll do some wall colors. Let's make this room. What do y'all think? What do you think? Okay, good. We'll do this color. It's a very interesting color. And that's it for this one. And next video, we'll do some more cool stuff.